What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Unbox Monday. So this Unbox Monday is based on Revell's 1968 Dodge Dart Hemi 2-in-1. So you can do it as stock or drag. So let's go on unbox, see what's in the box, open it up, see what comes inside, and take more detail later on. Alright, so let's, like always, let's get started with decals. So this kit, you do have a very decent sized decal sheet. So you got a bunch of, you got your two-tone paint job if you want to do a drag, gauge decals, bunch of various hood, under hood decals, warning stickers, tire decals, stripes, sponsors, license plates, red lines, and it's just a very nice decal sheet, very high quality. So you should have no problem with these decals. Very cool. Alright, let's get to the clear parts. Clear parts, your typical clear parts on every kit. Your main windshield, back windshield, side glass, and your headlights, fog lights, and your windshield washer fluid. Very high quality clear parts by Revell. And you do get your tinted tail lights, which is always a good plus. Alright, let's break out the chrome. You got two chrome trees in this kit. So you get your back bumper and tail lights, which is always a very good addition right there. Very cool. Headlights, actually no, those are, yeah, your headlights right there. Shifter, engine parts, two valve covers, and your wheels right here. Wheel backs. Very cool. This chrome tree has the rest of your, you have two more, another optional wheels. Your hood right here, part of your hood that goes in the front, I'm assuming. Your grill. I'm so sorry, it's not focusing. The chrome is very hard for cameras to focus on. But you get your front bumper. You do have another option of a rear bumper for your, I'm assuming it's your stock rear bumper. You have a bunch of different parts, mirrors, windshield wipers, license plate brackets, yeah, different valve covers. Very cool. Alright, let's get to the white trees. So you got suspension, bracing, your pedals, wheel backs, and your front seats right here, and your front seat backings. Your one of your engines, yes, one. You got two options of engines in here. You get your main bulk of your interior bucket with back seats molded in, which is not a big deal. Alright, and this one has your chassis. Nice detail on the chassis. Some white on there. You can describe that right out with the Dremel or keep it in there because the diff is going to cover it, actually, most of it. You got your radiator shroud, suspension, your headliner, part of your headliner for your visors, which is actually pretty cool. Sway bar, battery with battery bracket on the bottom of it. Part your radiator shroud, and your firewall. Very cool. Alright, and this one has your back suspension, have your axle, diff, pumpkin stuff, front suspension, and more engine parts, belts and pulleys, oil pan, water pump, your exhaust, and headers. And this one has your hood, nice detail on the hood, nice detail on the bottom too. Door panels, steering wheel column, filter, fan, and I'm not really sure what the heck that is. Looks like a part of the dashboard, I'm assuming. Dry shaft, nice detail. Alright, now let's go to the drag parts. So drag parts are in their own separate bag, which is always a good plus. So here's your drag hood, here's your big hood scoop, and the hood scoop is actually cut out with your drag pedals inside of it. And look at that big old engine. That's one big engine for your hemi. Oil pan. So you can build 2 complete engines in this kit, which is awesome. Build one up, put it in a car, and build another one up and display it next to it, which would be a very cool addition. It's a nice engine right there. You got full roll cage with your signature in there. You got another diff, a very high quality diff. Another firewall, and there's your axle right there. High sturdy axle. Leaf springs, part of roll cage, suspension, and there's your drag exhaust tips. Very cool. And you do got the side exhaust exits too, which is very cool. Very cool. And then you do get your stripped down interior with the back seat not mowed in. It's all stripped down, all ready for your roll cage, and very cool. Alright, next thing is your main bulk of the kit is your body. Body, very good. Nice strong detail in the engine bay. Mold lines, they could use more scribing. Yeah, I'll scribe them out for you, make them a little bit deeper. There's mold lines, your typical places, which you should be used to now on every single model. But overall, a very good detail. Headliner detail, which is always a good plus. Nice body. And then the last thing in this kit, you do get your tires. So you do get 4 stock tires, which are no name brand. But they're very hard vinyl. So, and you do get your tread pattern right there. So these are 4 stock tires, or if you do a drag, you'll be using 2 of them for the front. And then you do got name branded back tires for your drag slicks. So you got back wall on one side and your name brand right here. So you got Drag Masters tire brand, which is actually very cool. Needs a little cleanup, but nothing too major. You're gonna scuff up anyway to make it look more realistic. But very cool. Again, very hard vinyl. Very cool. So after taking a very good look at this kit, I do recommend it. This is a very high anticipated kit. This is one of the popular kits out there in the market. Get it. It's a very cool car, stock or drag. No matter what you build it, no matter what you build it, it's going to turn out awesome. You do got 2 different choices of hoods, engines, interiors, tires, all that good stuff. You do 2 complete built up engines. Like I mentioned, you can do one engine, put that engine in the car, and then build up the other one and display it next to the car. It'd be a very cool addition to that display. But overall, I do recommend it. I will provide a link down below where you can get yours today. But until my next Unbox Monday, I'll catch you next time. Bye for now. bye.